Hello everyone, I am Shada Shaurao and welcome to Sada Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first question is, what is the final keyword in Java? In Java, a constant is declared using a keyword final. Value can be assigned only once and after assignments value of the constants cannot be changed. If you see the below example, a constant with the name const value is declared and assigned to a value. That is, I am creating a private final constant is equal to 100. When a method is declared as a final, it cannot be overridden by the subclasses. This method are faster than any other methods because they are resolved at the compile time. And coming to the classes, when a class is declared as a final, it cannot be subclassed, means it cannot be inherited. The next question is, can a main method be declared as a final? Yes, the main method can be declared as a final in addition to being public static. The next question is, can a class be declared as a static? We cannot declare a top level classes as a static, but only inner classes be declared as a static. It's not possible to create outer class as a static. It's possible to create only inner class as a static. The next question is, when will you define a method as a static? When a method needs to be accessed even before the creation of an object of the class, then we should declare the method as a static. Why? Because whenever we are declaring a method as a static, the method we can call that method by using the class name. Though no need to create an object of that class, we can directly call the method by using the class name of that method. That is the use of static. The next question is, what are the restrictions imposed on a static method or a static block of a code? A static method should not be referred to the instance variables without creating an instance and cannot use this operator to refer the instance. A static method should not refer to the instance variables. Static method only refers instance variables and instance blocks and instance methods. It doesn't refers any instance variables. Without creating an instance and cannot use this operator to refer the instances. The next question is, what is the importance of static variables? Static variables are the class level variables where all objects of that class refers to the same variable. If one object changes the value of the if one object changes the value, then the changes gets reflected in all the objects. Why? Because static variables are shared variables. Whenever you are changing the static variable, it will be changed in the all the objects that value. The next question is, can we declare a static variables inside the method? Static variables are the class level variables and they cannot be declared inside the methods. If declared, the class will not be compiled. It's not possible to declare a static variable inside the method. The static variables are the variables which can be declared only in the class level. It's not possible to declare in the method levels. The next question is, what is the difference between a static and the non-static inner classes? A non-static inner classes may have object instances that are associated with the instances of that class outer class. A static inner classes does not have any object instances. If you see here, a non-static inner classes may have object instances that are associated with instances of the class outer class. A static inner class does not have any object instance. The next question is, what does it means that a method or a field is a static? A static variable or a method are instantiated only once per a class. In other words, they are class variables, not instance variables. If you change the value of an static variable in a particular object, the value of that variable changed for all the instances of that class. Static methods can be referenced with the name of the class rather than the name of the particular object of that class. That's how a library method like system.out.println works. Out is a static field in the java.lang.system class. If you see here, static variables and methods are instantiated only once per class. In other words, they are the class levels, not a instance level variables. If you change any value of a static variable in a particular object, the values of that variable changes for all the instances of that class. That is about the static. The next question is, what happens to a static variables that is defined within the method of a class? Cannot do it. You will get the compile time error. Whenever you are declaring a static variables inside the method, it gives the compile time error. It doesn't compiles the code.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Sada Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.